Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I want to show you how I can turn square balusters on an angle in a railing. Let's get started. Thanks so much for watching these videos. If you like this, would you please leave an encouragement like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment down there. And if you're so inclined and learned something from this, would you leave a small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions? Thank you. So on today's tip, I had a client ask about turning the balusters 45 degrees, and I was trying to think of how to do that. I've started off with dropping this rectangular baluster here, a square baluster, and I made a 36-inch tall, just a 3D solid. And flipping that into camera view, you can see what that is there. Let's go ahead and I'm going to paint that with the maple wood color. And I'm going to go back into plan view and shift F6 to get the split screen here. Now you can see on my 3D solid that when I select this on the bottom of my screen here, I see this little magic wand over a chair. I could convert that to a symbol, and I think I'm going to go ahead and do that, or I could add it to the library. Just convert it to a symbol is fine. I'm just going to, for now, I'm going to make this a millwork, and we'll call it Ballister on 45. I won't add it to the library yet. I just want to show you what that looks like just as such. This is the way I started. And when I drop this over here, then it's just a square on the same, a square baluster on the same square orientation. It's not on the 45. So I want to do something a little more to that. I'm going to zoom in on this square baluster, and I'm going to do another solid just inside here, and I won't go to the edge. I'm going to just do a square orientation like such. It doesn't have to be big, and it doesn't have to be anything to note particularly. Notice when I come over here and I flip it down, you can just see like the planes, that concrete kind of peeking through on the bottom of the baluster. Now when I select both of these, I'm going to click and shift click on the two, or I could just drag and that. There we go. I got to be in the arrow mode, selection mode. There we go. Two objects selected. Now when I convert this to a symbol, I'm going to call this Ballister on 45 and add it to the library. And now that pops in my library here. When I drop this now, look, it's on that 45-degree angle. And the great thing is because that little cube right there is inside and underneath the plane of this taller baluster, you don't even see it in the plan view. Now I'm going to draw a railing right here. Zoom in on my 3D, and when I select that baluster on 45 from my library, come on. What's happening here? User catalog. On 45. Why is it not updating here? There we go. It's supposed to update. Did I hit something? There we go. Now it's, I don't know what's going on. I must have changed some setting. When I hover over these balusters in the 3D view, you see the replace, the two folders that are, it's replace library object automatically. You don't have to do that from the, from any tools below. So I'm just going to click on this and look, they changed to 45. Now, if I select this and maybe let's put the balusters at 3.5 inch on center, you can see what that's like. So you can kind of get the whole look. There's balusters on 45. I hope that's helpful. If you like, click like and subscribe. Till next time, have a great week. Bye-bye.